It's not surprising that many people are turning to gaming as a source of income, because the best games can provide a reliable income stream with little or no effort. In fact, there are many ways to turn your love of video games into a source for income. In this video, you will explore some of the most popular ways to make money playing video games and how you can get started today. But before we start, make sure to check the links below in the description to know very powerful methods to make $1,000 and more per day instantly. So, make sure you don't miss out on that. Now, let's jump to the video, and make sure to watch till the end. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell. There are many ways to make money playing games, depending on your skill set. Some people work as game testers or playing on the mobile apps for a profit. Games is one of the most convenient ways to earn because you will be able to earn anytime and anywhere. But you should find a good app you can earn from. One of the best apps is called Givey. Givey is a get-paid-to app that will pay you for playing games. You will make money from your phone and make an everyday earning. Givey is one of the hottest earning apps. You might want to try it as it offers you real money through doing simple tasks such as games. Thus, if you are looking for something that will give you dollars while using your mobile phones, then this one is really amazing. To start earning money and other rewards through Givey, you can download the application from Google Play or App Store. Once you downloaded and installed the app, you will be required to choose your preferred language and currency for your cash out. And you have to accept terms and conditions to go on. You will be directed to the home page, and the first thing you need to do is sign up using either your Facebook or Gmail account, and then you are set. Then, you will automatically receive Givey points as a bonus after spending 3 minutes using the application. You can earn money from this app by playing games. You can choose from fun lists of games which will allow you to compete with other players and earn coins by winning each game. Also, you can earn by daily check-in. To earn points by checking in, you just have to log in through the app and look for the daily check-in section and participate in the calendar game. Also, you can earn by invite friends. You can share your unique link via social media platforms, or copy the link and share it with your friends and family. To earn money for free with Givey, you can exchange your coins and redeem it via rewards or real cash. You can withdraw via PayPal. The minimum amount to withdraw is 21 cents, which is a really low payment threshold. You can also redeem it through Revolut for 10 cents. In the end, if you are looking for earning big money, make sure to check the links in the description below to start making more than $1,000 each and every day. If you found this video valuable, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell.